In this video, I will show you how to add the Peaq Network into MetaMask. So first, open MetaMask app. After that, you need to click on the Popular Networks button as you from here, and then you need to click on Custom. Now you need to click on Add Custom Network. Now you need to enter all the information of the Peaq Network. First, you need to write Peaq Network name. Then you need to type the URL, which is http:// then double slash. After that, you need to write quick node 1.peaq.xyz. Now you need to write the chain ID, which is 3338. After that, you need to write the symbol, which is Peaq. Click on save. After that, click on save. And now, as you from here, Peaq Network will be added. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.